Hey guys, welcome. This is a special edition of Battle of Warships. This is only spectating, that's it. There's one more guy. I wanted to do this because this one's really cool. Okay. O-Hun O. Airplane. Ship. Aircraft carrier right here. O. I just crossed the line. I just crossed the line. Oh my gosh. He just crossed the line. He's a Chinese. Wait, no, this is Japan. I get them two countries mixed up. Anyway, come on, Japan. I kind of believe in you. Not that much, but... Can these things even shoot? All they're good for is sending out planes that die all the time. Like, they don't even do anything. Seriously. Let's look on the map. Oh, they came back in. Huh. Map says that, they're closing in. Here comes one to land. Dang, that's a sharp turn. Just a lie. Yeah. Okay, they're coming for him. Oh, that one got shot at. That one did too. Coming in to land. Almost dead, sir. Almost died. I'm so very sorry, sir. Wait, I'm not gonna take no for an answer, pal. You're dead now. Send in other pilots. Because this guy was stupid. Because he let the plane get almost destroyed. So all you're gonna do is just sit there. Bruh. Why don't you hit that iceberg while you're at it? Hit the iceberg. Hit the iceberg. Yeah! Whoa now. Dang, how does them planes do that? Is that an 8, a 6, or a 9? Oh, defeat. Them planes actually did that? Are you serious? All them planes destroyed that one little thing? Dang. That's horrible. Wow. Just wow. Oh, wow. Anyway, spectatorship is over. For watching this game. Guess I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.